Oh Lord. Okay, so I know we look for overbought or oversold. What you call it? Overbought or oversold. Uh, little stock or whatever. I can't stand this static. I mean, it's echo. So anyway, start on a higher time frame. Okay, so this where I be like kind of confused at. So if I go down to H1, right? So am I marking up the most recent like high swing low? Like would I mark up this low right here? Or would I mark up this low down here? Hold on. Because this low caused this high. I don't know. Or do I mark up the most recent low? Brandon, I'm talking to you.
All
This
right,
ain't
so
from
walk me down what you. All right, so walk me through like what you saying. Say that again.
Okay, so I go on the higher time frame to see where price is at. To see if price is overbought or oversold, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I started at H4. It's where this came in at. That's my high. Okay. Then I scale down to H1. On H1, I see it selling though already. Okay. And so my question to you was, do I what's the word I'm trying to use? Do I mark the swing high and the swing low? Cause this up here is the swing high. This the highest price got of H4. Okay, right. So like this low right here, where this little wick at, this green wick, I know this low caused this high, right?
Mm-hmm.
In a sense, right? Okay. So would I go off of this low or this low? Cause I know we're trying to see if price will break above this swing high or below this swing low, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then we're gonna go down to surgery. So basically, this low don't mean nothing. I could erase that, right? Because it's just too far out.
Yeah, yeah, that's not our focus.
That's
We want
not
to
our
focus on
focus.
what this currently is.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to the M1. So M1, uh, my thing acting like that.
Is your screen blacking out?
No, it's blacking out over there.
Yeah, it keeps saying video for your screen has been turned off because of bandwidth or something like that.
No,
Every time you move your mouse, it just go black.
for real.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Can you see it again?
Oh, it ain't say it right now.
Okay, but okay, hold on. What about now?
No, it's not doing nothing.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so yeah, boom. So now I understand that this is where. Oh shit! I ain't mean to do that. This is where we sit and wait for price to do what it need to do. Okay. So like we said, we're gonna wait to see if price breaks above this swing high and this swing low. And we go down to M1. Now on here, okay, so this is where I need to understand right here. I be I don't think I'll be labeling my uptrend and downtrends properly. So this right here is a high. This right here is a high and low, right?
Yeah.
This right here is a higher low because it's higher than this low, right? But see, this is a low, correct?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, and now this one is a high again. So I would say, okay, this is a high, this is a high low, this is a shoot, high low again. I would say this is still trending up, but if it break past this low right here, if it break past this low right here, I don't think like if it break out of this zone, I don't think it's a uptrend no more. What you say? Am I reading it right?
Uh, nah, yeah. So you trying to okay? So you basically going like market structure. That what you trying to go off of?
In a sense, because I know day what we really supposed to be waiting on, but I'm just trying to see like, okay, in the meantime, between time, um, yeah, trying to read market structure in a sense.
Yeah.
So
Now, when you had started up, how did you mark your key levels? Like as far as like liquidity?
no,
Then
I mean
zoom
I
out.
would think the swing high and the swing low is liquidity in a sense, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, so yeah, I did that. Now, what you think I should do it again on 15 or something, or
To my
hmm?
key levels.
Mm-hmm.
You talking about key levels?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can do it on the 1 minute
I could do it in 1 minute. Okay.
because
So
every time frame has its own liquidity.
right. Okay.
You
I
know
feel
what I'm
like
saying?
mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Depending on what price currently, yeah.
So yeah, I feel like this zone area right here is liquidity in a sense.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it'll come here and then it'll bounce back up. Like I know right here the buyers are at, right?
Yeah.
And the sellers are here.
Mm-hmm.
So at this point, I know the sellers are like damn near holding their fort down. Like, okay, you can't get past this area for right now, right?
Yeah.
And then, okay, they push price down. Um, I don't know. Would this be considered a little liquidity? Because sellers are here too.
Yeah. What's
Okay,
this above highs? What's this below lows?
money.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So
So,
where's price currently at
so
from your
right,
high time?
so right now, price is currently at liquidity, or at,
Mm-hmm.
was at a liquidity, or still is. Trying to figure itself out. But yeah. Okay, so and then also the buyers are pretty strong too in this area because it's not making, a lower low in a sense. It's not breaking out of this, area,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So then from this point, would you go down to S15 and look at another area of liquidity if there is any? Um, I don't think so. I think that's good enough on the M1. What you say?
So what do you so so what's your direction? Like where you think price is gonna go?
All in all, from what I'm seeing, on the higher time frame, I know it's exhausting and it wants to go down. But the thing
Yeah.
is, we don't know when it wants to go down,
Mm-hmm. Yep.
right? So, okay, yeah, okay. So, being that we know that, and this liquidity, like the buyers are still strong here, it doesn't make sense for one to get in. I mean, you could get in a trade to buy short term, right? You could, but all in all, we know that we waiting for price to break out of here. I think that's what be throwing me off because I feel like see this would trick me. This a candle right here. Like let's say that candle close above, I mean close under this level. That would slick trick me. But I know this still grabbing liquidity.
Say that one more time, cause your
Okay,
screen had blacked out.
for real. Is it back?
It just be flicking on and off. No, say what you had said
Oh, I don't know if you can see my screen, but you see where buyers are at and like where liquidity is right now, this swing low. Well, yeah, is it a swing low? In a sense. If price was
Mm,
to like close under this area, is that not like a break of structure? Because it's telling me like, okay, well, buyers are no longer strong in that area since price closed under it. You get what I'm saying?
yeah.
Okay. So sometimes I do that, but I think I'm supposed to be waiting for like a correction or manipulation happen, and like I go in for a sale and then it'll come right back up as like it's coming now. In a sense, you get what I'm saying, but I'm trying to understand the best I can. I mean, not understand, but explain the best I can.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. So you're saying the price was if it closed below this low, you'll get in the sale because you think
Yeah, like
what let's say
because I'm
before it
thinking,
been broken.
or like I'm thinking, okay, buyers are no longer stronger, at this area since price broke under it and closed under it.
Yeah, but you got to keep in mind what the algorithm is doing. It's seeking for liquidity. So when price went to that box you had, that zone, it
Mhm.
you know what I'm saying, it dipped below it and it turned around right away.
Mhm.
So that was like a little stop these
Manipulate.
people out liquidity grab. Yeah,
Mhm.
and you see it like I was pushing.
Mhm.
So everybody that was trying to sell that little short term little discount. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That little right there.
Mhm.
See what price pushing to. What's this about those little highs over there to the, you know what I'm saying? All these little short term highs.
Money.
When it went below that low, hmm it took out them bars to the left. It your zone down there. Did right
Oh, right
below it
here.
and ran away quick. Yeah,
Mm.
it's seeking for liquidity. So when price take a high or a low, you got to see how price, you know what I'm saying, how it reacts. Depending on what
Mm.
price is. Is price accumulating to go up after it take that low or high? That's how you got to look at it. You got to
Hmm.
read these highs and lows when price, takes a higher low. See how it react.
Okay, and see, that's what cause like this right here, I would consider this an equal low. I mean, an equal high. Hold on. Is my screen blacking out? I hope not. See that?
Yeah, it just declined.
It just
Yeah, that's
did
an Eli.
again. That's an equal high. Okay, so I'm trying to understand. Like, okay, so where I have this box at? That's a okay. Hold on. That's a high. That's a low. This a higher low. I mean, this yeah, higher low. This a lower high. Then this another. See now, I feel like the structure has changed. Like this, like a lower low. I mean, a
Or high.
lower high, and this is a lower low, and now this is a lower high. And now it's breaking up. I mean, yeah, breaking up of this. So that's the accumulation you be talking about. Like it's just,
Yeah, it's building up.
mm,
Gonna do its up, down liquidity graphs in a crazy
uh,
little range, and then it's building up for the next big move, or that
mm,
what I'm saying, or distribution. That's what we trying to catch.
right.
After it's done building up, because it's gonna accumulate, manipulate, then distribute. And all distribution is that expansion lead.
Dang.
So I see what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? That's good that you're marking your highs and your lows,
Uh-huh.
but you got to keep in mind where you at on the bigger picture. That's just accumulation that you know. This just sideways movement that you know what I'm saying.
Look at it, yeah.
You got to keep that. It's just sideways movement. But I see what you're trying to do though. You're trying to use like market structure to help like guide you,
In a
depending
sense,
where you at.
yeah, cause like okay, like I'm sure you have said this, so I'm not gonna blame you. It's all me. I was just confused on like I know you say like mark the high and like if price keep accumulating higher, you say like trail it on the M1 or S15 or whatever. If price keeps going higher than the first swing high, I probably marked up. So I guess I be trying to catch like when price is breaking down. I don't know. I be feeling like I'm too late or something, but then again, not really. But now today, like from everything I've been like searching, you just gotta see if it's gonna break above, the high time frame, swing high, swing low,
Yeah,
right?
because it's reaching for something. Now go back to the 4 hour
Mm-hmm.
and then zoom it out. You want to look to the left, like now move your chart to the left so we can't see nothing. So that's the highest it ever been.
Mm.
174. Yeah, 174. What is this? American
But
Express.
no, right here,
Oh, okay.
175.
Yeah, 175. So it's in that gap right now. So that's all we need. You only got to go that far back. We just
Mm,
seeing. So the highest is 175. And
mm-hmm.
then zoom it in right here. Keep going. All right. So you put a horizontal line like at 173. I mean 170. This 4 hour counter to the left.
174.
To the
Yeah, I put it at 174.
put a horizontal line.
Oh, a horizontal line. Okay. You want me to remove this one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then pull it down to the next 4 hour counter to the left. Like No,
Hold
that one right there. Yeah,
on. Okay.
right there. Yeah, about right there.
Okay.
So this candle manipulated that 4 hour candle high right there. So go to the 1 hour. So that's your key level. That's your 4 hour key level. Like as far as liquidity that been captured. So right now this the 1 hour. So you can leave that right there. And then go to the 1 minute. All right, and then get another horizontal line, and then move this one,
Which
go
one?
down a little bit. You see this high to the left? Go up right there. You see that little wick to the left?
Mm-hmm.
See how that price to the right here in the middle went above this wick right here to the left. Keep going up.
Hold on. Let me just erase all this out the way.
Okay.
Now, where you want me to put it?
Oh, you had it right.
I had it right. Okay.
Yeah, right there. So you see this little short term high to this lower high all the way to the left, top left,
Okay, this one.
all the way to the one to the left of that.
This one.
One more where you got your line at. Yeah. Now you see how price. Who was in profit right there?
Sellers.
So you see how it sold off and then it bounced up and
Mm.
took that high where you get your line at.
Mm-hmm.
It's so if price is at a premium and it's like overextended, the reason for these key levels is you know, you know, how can I say it? I consider that like manipulation. These key levels. I'm trying to see how does price react once it take a what I'm saying, a key level. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So you see how your 1 hour you is at a premium. The 1 minute is at a premium, but it's going sideways though.
Mm-hmm.
That bottom line is your 4 hour what I'm saying, key level.
Mm-hmm.
So when price, once it's done accumulating, it's gonna trade down to your 4 hour line when it breaks
Oh.
down. But but you see how so that was that 4 hour candle that 4 hour candle line at the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
174. You see how it kept trending up to the left? It just kept going up higher and higher.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like every time frame has its own premium and discount or key levels. So you see how as it kept trending above this 4 hour line, eventually it's gonna slip out of this and start breaking down. You see what I'm saying? But you know where you at. We just trying to see how price reacts when it takes liquidity. So even though it kept trending up on this 1 minute, where you got your this top line at 174, that 260,
Mm-hmm.
once in one above that this line, you trying to see how price reacts. We want to see price accumulate to go down. But
Mm-hmm.
overall, we in the premium. Premium means sale.
Right.
We just got to make sure we just reading the price section and see is it done building up for this reversal because we want it to accumulate to go down. So when price takes out your key level, you got to see how price reacts. What I'm saying? Once it take that key level, you see what I'm saying?
Mm.
And
It,
that's all I'm reading. And then once it's ready, it's gonna trade all the way down past this
this HV.
174. Yeah,
Mm.
when it's
Okay.
when it's done accumulating.
Mm-hmm. I think that's what I be. Okay, so that's probably what it is. Cause see, when I be drawing my swing low, swing highs, I be right at the most recent, but not like the previous, like this candle right here. I be at this candle.
Yeah. Now say for now zoom it out. Let me show you this. Now, if you can't see nothing like to the left, it's like far as like old highs to the left,
Mhm.
like liquidity targets. Like if it's overextended like that, straight
Mhm.
line up or straight line down, it's
Mhm.
reaching for something. It's reaching for an old high or an old low, or it's just filling it. You know what I'm saying? Filling in the gap like right there.
Mhm. Mhm.
You see what I'm saying? But you know where you at.
Mhm.
Price is overextended, meaning it's overbought, willing for sales, because the trend is your friend until the price reverses on you. So that's all
Right.
we doing. We waiting for the reversal or a little short term continuation if it's accumulating to do so. You see
Mhm.
what I'm saying? But you just reading this accumulation. Those key levels are just manipulation. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay. I think that's what was, cause I swear I be glued at my computer for like forever. Now I'm not saying don't take forever. Sometimes, like you said, it may take 2 hours or probably less than that. But I think I wasn't drawing my levels at the right places.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I had to figure out. So I'm gonna deconstruct and I'm gonna reconstruct again. So basically, I come to my H4. I see we at a premium.
Mm-hmm.
We in for a sale. So I will put my key level for my H4 right here at this H4.
Yeah, that 4 hour candle. Because
Okay.
if you can't see no data to the left, sometimes it's either I'm going off the 4 hour or like what the current price leg. I'm
Mhm.
either focusing on this 4 hour candle and the new one that it had printed.
Mhm.
If I can't see nothing, no old high to the left, I off the current candles,
Right.
either the
Okay.
4 hour or 1 hour.
Right. Okay.
Eventually, it's gonna reverse and trade back down to that 1 hour, 4 hour. You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
And I'm trying to catch the top of it when it's done accumulating. At the you know what I'm saying? Once I figure out how price reacts, once it take my key level, I
Mhm.
want to see it accumulate to go down for that reversal.
Mhm. But see,
I'm
you
trying to,
you actually put your line right here though, instead of
yeah,
right.
because it kept trending up. Once it kept trending up, and then it took this high to the left, so I just keep moving it up. Eventually, it's gonna slip about it and start breaking down. You see what I'm saying?
Hmm.
But you still want to sell high.
Right. That's what I be trying
Like
to not
soon as
miss.
mm,
I said that's what I try to not miss. Is
yeah,
selling high.
like soon as price bought up, it took these sellers out to the left, top left, right there in the
Mhm.
middle. Like where that line at, you can see like go down to like the like do a little surge right there. Yeah, go down. Cause you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You trying to see where can you get in on this premium sale. 30 second, 15 second. Up there where your top line at. You want to see that thing accumulate to go down. So you see how it was accumulating? Like zoom in where your line at. And you see how it was accumulating and then price, like you can move that line up a little bit more.
Lord, wait. Okay.
Like you see the little high that about right
Right.
come down a little bit because
Mm,
it's you know what I'm saying it's gonna wick above a high or something like that. So you
okay.
see how it just like that green candle then that wick, you know what I'm saying? Like zoom in just so you can see it a little bit. Yeah, but right there. And
Okay.
you see how like it just like to the left, you got auto scroll on.
Yeah, yeah, I do. How you
Uh,
turn it off?
you see what it say S15?
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, turn that on.
Okay, cool. Okay, so boom. So this a little accumulation right here.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So you
And then,
got accumulate,
mm-hmm.
accumulation, manipulation, then you got distribution. That's what we trying to catch.
Okay, accumulation. This was
Manip-
manipulation, right?
uh-uh. If
Which
price
one?
is on premium, it's gonna
Uh-huh.
manipulate a high. Just like how you had your 1 minute line
Mhm.
to the left down there, we just moved it up because you know what I'm saying,
Mhm.
it manipulated this high line on the
Mhm.
1 minute. So it's going to accumulate, manipulate, and then distribute.
Mhm.
Eventually, it's going to stop. That trend going to end. So you
Mhm.
could have took a chance on this. And you see this decline like this, you would have won.
Mhm.
That's
Oh
what
wow.
we trying to, and it's going to trade back. So you see how you on a 1 minute, your 1 minute line way, it's going to
No,
trade
we on
back
the
down.
S15.
Yeah, S15.
Mhm.
Eventually, it's going to trade back down to that 4 hour low. I mean, that four, you know what I'm saying, key level.
Mm.
You see what I'm saying? We just trying to snipe the top of it if it's accumulating to do so. You see what I'm saying?
Right. See, see, you ain't going to detail on where I need to really put my lines at. I be putting my lines so far it don't make
Just
sense.
yeah. I just started so because because y'all been asking some good questions about you
Mhm.
know where am I getting in at and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay, so hold on. Let me just say this back to you. So this area right here is accumulation. This from here, 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 here. Okay, would that be the manipulation right here? This top red candle?
Yeah, if it runs above a high like that and
Uh,
start to reverse, yeah, yeah, that's
reversing.
manipulation.
Okay, then this part is the distribution.
hmm
Okay.
That's your focus right there. You trying to catch that leg down like that
Right. Okay.
because prices in a premium. Premium mean price gonna go back down to a cheaper. You see what I'm saying? To a
Yeah.
cheaper price. Eventually, it's gonna slip up out of that after price manipulates a key level. It's going to revert. You see what I'm saying? When it's
Yeah.
done accumulating, it's going to reverse. It has to. That's how the algorithm is coded. You see what I'm saying?
Crazy, huh?
You see what crazy? Huh?
Crazy, Brandon. Hold on. Now, if I don't get this by tomorrow, I get it
Now,
now. If I wake
now
up
let me show you this.
tomorrow, I'm gonna be so mad at myself.
Let me show you. Stay right there. Now zoom back in.
Okay.
Get get another horizontal line,
Okay. Hold on. Let me. Okay.
and then click on it and make it like blue or something like that.
Okay.
And then click on it and move it up some.
Okay. Get this thing out the way. Okay.
But
How?
let's say right there.
Right here. This little green wick.
Say you got in right there.
Mhm.
You want to get your interest right there, or test it out to see if it's ready.
Mhm.
That's where you want to get your interest at and zoom out a little bit.
Okay.
If price is in the premium, you got to look left to get
Right.
where the money at.
The money. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Where the money at?
If price is in the premium and you got in where your blue line at,
Yeah.
look
I
left to
mean,
get right. Where would you target? Who is in profit?
the sellers. The sellers.
Nuh-uh. Who is in
No.
profit? Look left to get.
Oh, this left,
Mm-hmm. What's
right?
this below
Okay.
those lows?
You said what's above those lows or below?
What sits below those lows?
Yeah, money, 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 money.
What lows? Keep going down. You see like 174.100, the price point.
Okay, hold on, that 100. Okay.
What sits below
Oh,
these lows?
money.
You gotta know where you at. That's important. They don't teach you that. You see what I'm saying? So you
Well,
see,
hold on. I'm gonna put a line right there.
that's where you want to target. If price is in a premium,
Oh shit.
it's going to trade back down to the people that's in profit. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
At the price is done manipulating the high, it's going to accumulate
and it went right back over there too.
Crazy, huh?
Crazy.
It's
Ah.
going to trade back down to your key levels.
Oh wait. Okay, so you asked me. You said okay. Started from here, and if I look to the left, who in profit? The buyer's in profit right here. So then, where you gonna target? You gonna target this
Target they
line
stop loss.
again,
Mm-hmm.
and here they go right here again. Crazy. I'm so mad at myself, Brandon. Brandon, I should have been did this. I've been told you I want to do this with you. I should
Yeah,
have been did this. What?
and
No,
that's
because
what we.
it's so important because you was like, you gotta know where you at. And at the end of the day, we are at a premium. So if I want to target right here, I need to look to the left and see where these sellers are at. I mean, buyers
Um,
are at,
mm-hmm,
and target that back again. Look at it again. It's like price do the same thing all over again. That is so
mm-hmm.
crazy.
We
Okay,
don't.
okay. Go ahead, go ahead.
No, what you about to say?
No, cause I want to go somewhere to another point again and find it. It's gonna be the same thing. Like even if I did this, if I looked over, buyers are here, and then yeah, they still came down to this level. This will be a little sticky. It's a little sticky area to get in, but okay, I think I understand. I understand it. Once you send me this recording, I hear myself talking, I understand this.
Yeah,
But looking to the left is yeah,
you gotta look left to get right.
right,
We are predicting the future.
right.
The name of the game is, big money. They wipe the board, so everybody trying to follow them and chase these buys. When
Mm,
prices get expensive, it's going to go back down to a cheaper price. That's how the
mm,
algorithm is coded. After it's done faking everybody out, trapping them in the premium high, and it's going to accumulate, manipulate, and distribute. We
yeah.
trying to catch that expansion down. That's your focus. So you got to let all this faking out, up down movement. You know,
Mhm.
we waiting for big money to get in, and they gonna get in where your blue line at. You see,
Mm,
and they're gonna take it down to a cheaper. And we trying to follow them because we know how the algorithm is coded. You see what I'm saying?
mhm.
That's
So
what we on our hands. We being patient for. We're waiting for all this to happen. We're not just getting in. You know what I'm saying? We reading the price action to make sure it's price ready to go
oh,
down.
you felt like it was ready because okay, after this accumulation, this little manipulation, and once this candle like closed under here, you knew that okay, price is ready to go. It's ready to street, basically.
I'm, I mean, but I know prices in the premium. I
Mhm.
know it has to go down to a. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It,
I
it's,
get
it's
that
just a
part.
matter of time, though.
Mhm.
But I would never know. But I know where the money is. I know who in profit. I know what big money trying to take price down to.
Mm.
You see what I'm saying? So say for example, I pressed the button like 4 times and price
Mm.
wasn't ready. Okay, I'll just take that loss. It ain't ready
Mm.
yet. It's not done accumulating. Maybe it
Mm.
want to keep going up higher to take out a higher time frame, another key level, and
Mm.
then accumulate to go down after it manipulates. I'm gonna try it again. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you don't know for sure, but you do know where you at, and you do know.
I know where I'm at. I know where the money at, and I
Mm.
know how the algorithm, how it moves. You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
All we doing is just trading our edge, but we got to be patient and let it build up for that big move. After it manipulates a key level, you want to see how price, towards that line. and then take a chance on it if you think it's ready
Right.
after it's done building up. That's it. But you got to be very patient though. You can't be quick to press that button,
Mm-hmm.
or you're gonna be liquidity. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. I've been liquidity for far too long. Okay. It's that looking to the left. It was that marking up the key level, looking to the left, see who in profit and where big money gonna target at, which is the buyers again.
And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, but I just started doing the key level so y'all can see what I'm looking at, and I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
it'll
which is good.
help y'all a lot because I don't have none of this on now.
We
I
know,
just
we
know,
know, we know, we know.
I just know what price where it eventually is going to go to.
Yeah, we know.
But this should help out though. You want to get your
This,
interest.
yeah, this
Huh?
should about. It's no excuse now. Oh, okay. All right. Well,
And
thank you.
don't forget,
Mhm.
it's all about knowing where you at. Don't get lost in the sauce. If you get lost, go back up high,
Uh huh. Come back
one
up.
out, and work your way back down and see where can you know what I'm saying?
Uh huh.
And make sure the pair is overextended.
Right. Cause I know you wouldn't even want to get in this no more. I know.
Mm-mm. I wait for it to trade above that 174.284.
Uh-huh. I know.
Take out that high.
I've actually waited and seen price do that. I'm like, dang, okay. Like it'll act like it's taking off. Like it'll take off and then it'll come right back up to that same point or either higher
Yeah,
than what this H1 showing us. But yeah, okay.
that's how you do it. I ain't doing nothing crazy. Nothing
I
crazy.
think I got it now, coach. I hope so. Look, I hope so.
You got it. You gotta, you know what I'm saying, you know, put your time in, get them reps in.
Yep.
The time coming, it just take time. All you doing is just sharpening that blade. You sharpening your edge right now.
Mm-hmm.
But you see what I see. You just gotta keep seeing it and you gotta keep hearing it.
Mm-hmm. Because when I talk to you about it, I know I understand, but it's to your point. It's something that's so new.
This a different way of like
Yeah,
approaching
yeah.
protection.
So it's taking me. I know some people they took off with this strategy, but it's taking me just a little time.
But yeah, your time coming. It just take time. If it was that easy, everybody'd be you know what I'm saying, millionaires. But that's not how this works.
Right. And so I'm seeing like when you look over here, you categorize this as a key level because it's so strong. Like every time price come and touch this level, it go up, right? And so if it's when price get to right here, you do want to target this area again, um, because it's like a key level. Like I don't know how to really explain it.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Don't
Mhm.
saying yeah, just say yeah now, Brandon. Be like, nah, I don't get what you're saying, but you get it.
Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Okay,
But
cool.
it just I just know it's a lot of money right there.
It's a lot of money right there, and
It's a
big
lot of
money
people
want to
buying
grab
off
all
that.
that money.
Yeah,
Okay,
take these people out there.
exactly because it's such a strong area. Okay, so good. I'm
Hmm.
gonna say that instead. So it's a strong area, or like a lot of money is right here, and big money just want to come
Yeah, below those lows.
right. Okay, okay, man. All right, all right,
That's all the algorithm is doing is just taking people money.
all right,
Whoever in profit is gonna come take them out. If they ain't, you know what I'm saying, if they still in the trade.
all
They
right.
just seeking people stop losses. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna go the other way. and just you using premium and discount to help guide.
Right.
That's why I'd be like, make sure you know where you at. If you lost, go back up and break it back down.
Right. 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 Man. I get myself. I ain't even gonna put a time on it. I got it.
Yeah, don't rush it. It take years to master this skill set.
It ain't
It
gonna
don't
take
take
years for me. I don't even want to claim that for me. It gotta be
it's gonna
more.
take years.
It
It
ain't
took
gonna
me
take me no years.
don't take years. It took me years.
Oh. Yeah, it took you years, but see, you the one who teaching me. It ain't gonna take me years no more. You
Yeah,
done
you
did
right.
all the hard work. Yeah.
Yeah, you right.
You see what I'm saying? Crazy,
Hmm.
huh?
Crazy,
No,
huh?
for real. I mean, that's the beauty of like learning from someone like you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like you've been through um, the ups and
Yeah,
downs of
ups
it.
and downs, trial
Yeah.
and error.
Yeah. So it's like
Hmm.
when you teach people like me, it shouldn't take them years to be honest, especially if to
The way,
your
yeah,
point they got that edge. Like, you know what I'm saying? All the videos you be sharing with me on Instagram from like people in the 90s talking about a damn edge and stuff. You get what I'm saying? Like, so it's like you've learned that and you teaching it is no reason why nobody shouldn't be on it. It shouldn't take years for this.
yeah,
Because
you're
they,
right.
to your point, like they not teaching people this at all. Like, so yeah, that's why I'm like, it's not gonna take me years. I just knew I had to like show you my thought process first, and
Yeah.
then you'll come in and tailor it and be like, nah, you gotta market here. Remember, you had a premium discount. Like that part, I get that. That's the easy part. It was just the marking, like, the levels. So like the higher time frame levels. And to your point, I think you said like when you don't see nothing to the left or something on a higher time frame like this, like if it's
Yeah.
not too close, you just go
Hmm.
based off of the most recent
The current candles, yeah,
mhm,
price action.
right, which makes sense and which will probably be I ain't gonna say more accurate, but it makes sense. And so um now down to the S15 and thinking like big money is like, okay, yeah, we brought this price all the way up. Okay, so now we want to go target these people that think they know what they doing down here, right?
Hmm.
We finna go eat
Yeah.
up all that money. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna keep replaying this over and over and over again. I get it. I get it now. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't think discount go ever see me.
Hmm.
I don't think discount is too
Oh, you talking about waiting for a discount? Yeah, it take
late.
sometimes it take all day. I didn't you know going up to Memphis, I didn't seen some discounts take like 6 hours to like as far as like building up.
That's crazy. 6 hours is okay. Okay, Brandon.
That's why I like to sell. But
Mm,
I can do both. It just depends on if I,
yeah.
I'm saying, willing to wait that long for a buy.
Mhm,
Cause
mhm.
it take forever.
Yeah. I remember when you first taught me, I thought that thing was like a piece of cake. I thought, well, what do you mean take forever? Should no candles take forever. Yeah.
Yeah, that
Little
jump take forever.
I didn't know
I don't
nothing.
know why.
Mm, that's crazy. Okay, I got it. I thank you so much for taking this time out to help me. I
Oh,
really
no
appreciate
problem.
it. Yeah.
I want to see everybody win. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? There's so much money out here. You know what I'm saying?
Much free money
Yeah.
too. Free money.
Hmm.
They might eat up your money if you don't know what you're doing. Money, it's
But yeah, you got
I
it.
can't believe I wasn't understanding that like that. But honestly, though, I do think it did help, like asking you certain questions, because it made you just go into more detail for real, for real.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what? We should do another one like this, though.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah. And so then you could post this one on YouTube. I don't mind.
Okay.
This one, but the next one. When you want to do the next one, it
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
matter.
yeah. Okay. I got you.
Yeah. It don't matter to me.